So if you've been in a car accident and the insurance company for the driver that hit you makes you an offer, should you take it? How do you know? Is it a good offer? Should you hire a lawyer? Today we're going to talk about that and some strategies you can use to determine whether that makes sense to take that offer. And spoiler alert, it probably doesn't. So the first thing to know is that the insurance company makes money. And the way that they make money is by charging people premiums and then not paying out claims. Or if they have to pay claims, devaluing them so that they pay out less than they're worth. Whatever they take in premiums and don't spend, that's their profit and that's their goal. So let's say you've been offered $15,000. How do we know whether this is a good offer or a bad offer? Insurance companies write policies in certain tiers, right? $25,000 is usually the state minimum limits. That's what it is in the state of Tennessee where I'm licensed. So if you get $15,000, unless you're in a state where that's the minimum limits, pretty good indication that there's more money, right? There's some tier of a policy limit that you're after, and $15,000 is probably not a policy limits offer. So how do you then empower yourself to make a counteroffer to get your claim valued at that higher limit or possibly the policy limits? First thing you need to do is get your medical bills. And if you haven't finished treating, if you've gone to doctors, you're going to chiropractors, physical therapy specialists, if you're not done yet, don't settle your case because you're not ready to. And so we can't be settling cases until we know that the plaintiff has reached what's called maximum medical improvement. But if you're not there, don't take the offer. Contact an injury lawyer. I mean, reputable personal injury lawyers will take a look at your case for free. If you've gotten any treatment at all, you should contact a lawyer because you're probably going to be better off. But certainly if you've received an offer from the at-fault driver and you're trying to decide whether it's good or you're really contemplating taking it, that's a pretty good indication that you should call a lawyer, because then it might be that you really are leaving money on the table.